morning students, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Today our lecture is for the 3 class and the subject is English. The name of the chapter is Time to Hibernate. Again, Time to Hibernate. Do you have any clear concept about this? Hibernate? Hibernate means overnight. Hibernate means sleep over winter night. Sleep over winter. Okay. Now open your course book, page number 44. Page number 44. In this lesson we read about the two characters, Mr. Mole and Squirrel. These are the two characters, main characters in this lesson. Now this is the conversation between two characters, Mr. Mole and Squirrel. Mr. Mole is going to sleep, means to hibernate. Hibernate means sleep overnight. Mr. Mole is going to sleep for the whole winters. And now Squirrel asking some question from the Mr. Mole. Now you can read this reading under the guideline of your parents and the tutors so that you can easily understand. Now come on the next page, which is about the page number 46. Now reading comprehension. How many characters are there in the story? 2 characters. Tick the option B. What is Mr. Mole going to do all winter? कि Mr. Mole winters में क्या करने जा रहे थे? He is going to hibernate in his burrow. Now option tick C. What is the meaning of hibernate? Hibernate का मतलब क्या होता है? To sleep all winter and wake up in the spring. Now what will squirrel be doing in winter? Squirrel winter में क्या करती है? Sliding on the snow. Which is the true for the both Mr. Mole and Squirrel? Option C. Spring is when the cold snow goes away and flowers comes out. Now come on the next part B. Read the sentences, write T for true and F for the false. Squirrel can play outside during winter. True. In winter there is a snow and ice. True. Mr. Mole will slide around the ice in the winter. False, because he is going to sleep. Squirrel can tell Mr. Mole about playing with snow. True. Mr. Mole will wake up in the spring. True. Mr. Mole will tell Squirrel all about the hibernating. True. Now you have clear concept about hibernate, sleep over winter and wake up in the spring. Winter में वो जाकर सो जाता है और wake up कब होते हैं? Spring में. Now come on the next page, which is about page number 48, and the vocabulary are given there. Now they are the highlighting words are your vocabulary words like burrow, tunnel, hibernate, sleep, slide and glide. These are all your vocabulary words and you have to put these words in these fill in the blanks. Like first one, the children enjoy playing by the beach. The option is, true answer is like, L-I-K-E, like. The talkative boy told his mother all about his day. Catty. The courteous boy did not cry after he felt brave. Some people sleep on the bus. Rest. Everyone is ready, so we should start the concert soon. Begin. The answer of these fill in the blanks are like, chatty, brave, rest and begin. Now come on the next page, which is about the page number 49 on the course book. Okay, in this page we read about the present continuous tense. Do you have any clear concept about the present continuous tense? Present continuous tense are those sentences that tells us about that for the future plan. That in the present tense we can read these things, we are doing this thing like that on the at once. But in the present continuous tense we read the things in the future plan. Like they are highlighting some words. They are telling that they are in the present continuous tense. Like I am hibernating in winter. We are having a party tomorrow. Sheena is not going to the picnic this weekend. Grandpa is coming for dinner tonight. The highlighting words tells us that these are all the present continuous tense that tells us that they are all the planned for the future. Now they are giving you exercise and you have to underline the present continuous tense in these sentences. Like I am just solving first one. Adam is sleeping his friend with his homework this evening. You have to underline present continuous tense that shows some actions. Like Adam is helping. Is helping is the present continuous tense. Now rest of others you can solve these all under the guideline of your parents and the tutors. Now come on the next page, page number 40. Now this page is about the punctuations. This page is about the punctuations like colon marks. These are all the identification for the mark for the colon. We use the colon to show direct speech of the characters speaking in a play script. Play script are the written parts of a play which people use a practice for a performance. Like when we add these two dots, we call it as the colon. These are all the colons and you have to put this colon in this part B and you have to complete this part. This is the task for you. Now come on the next page, which is about page number 51. In this page we read about the long sound words. As we know that we can read the sound words in each chapter. In this chapter we read about the long sound U, E and U. These are the two sounds like U, E and U. These are all the long sounds. Now they are giving you different pictures and you have to choose the correct answer and put in these fill in the blanks. Words are given there like clue, glue, dew, tissue, statue, true, blue, value, argue and cue. These are all your long sound words. Now first one, he used the glue to mend the broken vase. The teacher told the boys not to argue, A-R-G-U-E, argue. The statue was at a fountain in the park, S-T-A-T-U-E, statue. She needed a tissue to borrow her nose. The project is due next week, D-U-E, due. Now, next page, which is about this listening and the speaking page. As you know that students, we are not in the school, so that's why we are unable to solve these pages. When you come back, we can surely solve these all pages. Now come on the next page, which is about your 55 page number. You have to write down the long sounds that I told you in the next previous page. Now it's a sum up time for the whole chapter. We can read in this chapter about the three things like synonyms, similar words, present continuous tense that tells that something is going in the future, plan for the future. We use a colon. We use the colon, two dots, and call is that colon. Now you have to write the 6 letters U-E sounds for make a complete long sound. This is the task for you. You have to complete. Now this all about your course book chapter. Chapter number 4 on your notebook you have to write down. Okay. The first chapter, the first topic is your dictation words. These are all your dictation words. You can read. Okay. Few words I am writing here like S-N-O-W, snow, S-L-I-D-E, slide, W-I-N-T-E-R, winter, B-U-R-R-O-W, borrow, H-I-B-E-R-N-A-T, hibernate. The correct pronunciation of this word is hibernate. Again, hibernate. Now you have clear concept about this word. Now come on the next page, which is about your words and synonyms. Okay, word synonyms, similar words, same sounds like slide, skate, feel, touch, ice, forced, wake up, awaken, hibernate, sleep over, winter. Now come on the next point, which is about your mixed sentences. Okay students, I am writing this first mixed sentences and rest of others you have to make your own self. Like first word is feel, F-E-E-L, feel. Make sentences. We feel hot in summer. This is a sentence. Now the words are given there and you have to make these sentences like wake up, slide, hibernate and borrow. You have to complete this. Now the next point which is we are going to read is about your question answers. I am just writing here the questions. You have to write down the answers of these questions. Like first one is, what is the meaning of hibernate? Now you have a clear concept about the hibernate. What is the meaning of hibernate? Next point, name some animals that hibernate. Animals name बताने हैं जो hibernate हैं. Next one, when do they get up after hibernate? मीन्स हाइबरनेट के बाद वो कब वेकअप होते हैं. एक ही आंसर है इन तीनों क्वेश्चन में, सिमिलर वर्ड्स आएंगे. अगर आपने इफ यू हैव क्लियर कंसेप्ट अबाउट द हाइबरनेट यू कैन इजीली राइट दिस आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट व्हिच इज अबाउट योर साउंड वर्ड्स. long sound, ue sound and u sounds. These are all your sound words. Like we can read, we also read in the course book like issue, queue, clue, view, blue, value and true. Now students, we have read the complete chapter from the course book and notebook also. Now this is a task for you. You have to complete this chapter in the whole week that I am giving you as a homework. This is your homework. You have to complete this. Learn complete chapter number 4 from the course book plus notebook. This is your homework task. You have to complete in the whole week. If you have any kind of problem, you can contact with the school for the notes. Thank you so much. This is your task. You have to complete. Okay. Allah Hafiz.